doesn't matter. You got that yellow card.
And then Nico Williams goes on the counter. We all thought that was going to be the moment. I'm sorry, but he should have passed that ball to Lamine Yamal on the second post. As you can see, Lamine Yamal is upset. And Emiliano Martinez saves it. And if you're on the yellow, Enzo Fernandez, don't go so much into that challenge. You know, you can't go like that into that challenge if you're already on a yellow. It's a red, and rightly so. And then Lamine Yamal, we all thought that maybe he was going to score, but Emiliano Martinez on the way to take it to extra time, 0-0.
Zlatan.
Then we're gonna see a situation here where Spain actually scored and the whole stadium thought they scored, but the referee saw something else. Look, Nico Williams scores. Spain celebrating, even Nico Williams, but the referee whistled before that shot was made. And if you can see here, a little step on the foot, and was awarded free kick there, Argentina.
Give us a real goal, man. Give us a real goal. See,
Yes.
come on.
Now we're gonna see here. Look at this. I'll let the images speak for itself first. And then I'm gonna tell you. Look at that pass from Nico Williams. Also the back pass, follows up by who? Thierry.
The ex-players that won it.
Everybody's happy. The first time they won it was in extra time. The second time Spain wins it is also in extra time.
1-0 both.
Let's go. First goal, first World Cup goal by who? Rebecca?
Ferran Torres.
No, Iniesta. The first World Cup.
Oh, I don't know what you were asking.
She's enjoying back behind us. What do we have here? We have a corner from Lionel Messi and a shot outside the goal.
They did have a moment, didn't they? Right near the end. They
we all
definitely
thought that
had a moment.
Maybe, but then
And then
it was finished.
look at that.
Game over. Spain, World Cup champions.
This is what I meant earlier. You know, we can talk about Kylian Mbappe that won, you know, the Golden Boot. We